Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to switch account profiles on Google Chrome. So to demonstrate this, I've already opened up Chrome. So to switch account profiles, what you need to do is go to the top right corner and you'll see an icon that holds your profile on the top right corner. Click on it. So when you click on it, you'll see a list of options. On the bottom, you'll see an option that says Other Chrome Profiles here. So to switch profiles, you just click on it. So that is how easy it is. But if you don't have a Chrome profile, what you need to do is go to the button again, click on it, and on the options, there's an option that says Add Chrome Profile, so you click on that. So you can set up a new Chrome profile by signing into your Gmail and entering your password. To sign in, just click on the Sign In button and fill out your personal information. That includes your email and password and any other possible verification methods. So this is how you add a profile, and I've also showed you how to switch profiles, but you also have another option to change profiles, and that option is click on the option again, and on the bottom you'll see an option that says Manage Chrome Profiles. Click on that. So in the Manage Chrome Profiles section, you can see all your profiles in one window, and you can click on the profile to switch to that. Additionally, you might have seen a button that says Add, so you can add a Chrome profile here, similar to the button I just showed you. An important feature in this window is this button here that says Show on Startup. So when you close Google Chrome and open it up again, it will let you choose which profile you want to join. So I'm going to toggle this to be on, and I'm going to close this, and once I open up Chrome again, see, now Chrome is open up again. It is letting me choose which profile I want to join Google Chrome on. So this is how you switch account profiles in Google Chrome. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.